Got the instructions. Okay, I'm gonna turn, there's the power button on the bottom.
I meant to tell you.
Hang on a second. Charlie's turning on his...
Okay. I'll tell you later.
Wow.
For liftoff. Let's fly.
Wow, it's a jet. Now he's a dinosaur.
Hey, you! I'm Saber the Allosaurus. Have you seen any dinos around here?
No.
Here's a dinosaur.
You have to be him.
Me?
Yeah, you.
I'm the flying pterodactyl.
Hi. I'm a dino.
I'm a pterodactyl.
Ready for liftoff. Let's fly.
And ready for my race.
Ready?
Go. I said go. Trying to go around in Cookie looks like this. And this.
Wow.
And this.
Cool.
Careful landing.
That's from Auntie Heather and Uncle Paul. Oh, now he's...
Hey, you! I'm Saber the Allosaurus. Have you seen any dinos around here?
No.
Wow, do you like that?
Yeah.
You say thanks?
Thanks.
My teeth have edges like a saw. Hey, you! I'm Saber the Allosaurus. Have you seen any dinos around here?
No.
Take him for a flight. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the camera. Can you say bye, everybody? Hey, Charlie.
Bye.